Hey, who has enough with notification? Too many notification on your activity here. It's kind of like making your day really tough, right? So we can actually change it per channel over there. We have lots of channel and we just have to click on the little three dots and click notification, except that you can't see it over there because I am on the new Teams. So what you need to do now is actually to switch back to the other one for now, and it will come up again. Let's have a look. So I've just switched back into the old one. You can see over there. Now it's the classic, let's say, new team. And all right, let's use the little three dots. Three dots, a lot more options over there. So you can see that one of the options I want to use is basically about notification. So I'll be able to change my channel notification. Just click on that. You have a little dialog box coming up. And then from here, we can decide what kind of noise we're going to hear from my channel. So very quickly, look, all new posts, maybe I want to see only a feed. So feed means that it will go into my activity. I don't want to include all the replies, because if people reply, I don't want to have activity. That would be too much, at least for this channel, right? Depends on the channel. And then channel mention, when someone mentions me, definitely I want to have it banner. So it's the little windows over there, and also have it on the activity. That's it. And then save. So just one thing annoying, right, is that all these menus, they're not yet showing in the new Teams. And in fact, there's quite a few things missing. For instance, if I'm in Teams and I want to do add channel on the new one, but I can't. You have to switch to the old Teams, which is the one that most organization has. So the new team is great, it's becoming much faster, etc. But maybe pause a little bit before you deploy it everywhere.